Welcome back, friends. We are here to unmold and cut the Lavish spa soap. So it just peels back beautifully from the mold. Pick it up, roll the side back. There's a lot of activated charcoal on there that we will get off. There's what it looks like right now. Holy moly, that's a lot of charcoal. We'll have a lot of cleanup to do with this. So let's go ahead and get this cut into. It's still really soft after a week. Oh dear. We may have gone a little too heavy on the charcoal line. Oh no. Okay, so here's what it looks like right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep cutting it. You know, that straight line didn't work too well, did it? And then we will let it kind of dry out for a little bit, for a couple days, and then I'll bring you back to show you how to get these cleaned up. Charcoal lines can be messy, and I haven't done one in a while, so for some reason I must have forgot to go easy on the charcoal. But I can definitely get cleaned up, and then the sides here, we'll just bevel that off. So thanks for watching, and I will see you back in just a minute for you, a couple days for me to finish getting these bars all cleaned up. It's been a few days, so let's go ahead and clean up these overly charcoaled soaps. So I have my soap beveler here. I did purchase from Etsy. I don't like this one, so I won't leave a link to it down below. I don't know, the blade on it is just, I don't know. I don't like it. So look how much better that looks. So this bar looks pretty good now. A couple of these I already did. So we'll just, I don't like doing this because you waste a lot of soap, but that charcoal, it will get on your hands. And so I don't want someone to buy something and then, you know, their hands be full of charcoal when they touch it. So I'm just going to take a damp rag, clean rag, and just kind of wipe it. So the charcoal line will still be there, but it won't be as messy. So it just kind of cleans it up a little bit. And I'll do the same for this side. And I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to get my fingerprints on the bars. And there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. So thank you everyone for watching. We are on day 28. Only 2 videos left in our 30 videos in 30 days series. I don't know what either of those videos will be. I do not have any made up yet. So we'll be surprised together, but I will see you back tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.